What's the meaning of Cambria? Cambria. Cambria.
Cambria. Cambria. Cambria is a feminine given name of Welsh origin, which means from Wales. In typography, Cambria is also the name of a serif typeface designed by Gel Bosma and distributed with Microsoft Office. It was first introduced with Windows Vista and Office 2007. The font is characterized by its very legible letter forms, moderate stroke contrast, and small flourishes at some of the terminals. Cambria is often used for printing professional documents such as academic papers, business reports, and legal contracts. Its elegant and classic appearance make it a popular choice for various types of literature.